SNMP.
Definitely has some potential, but here intraday it's not really setting up the way I want to see.
All right, good morning, guys. Oh, very good trade on this one. Sell too early anyway. Always sell too early.
VVPR.
Oh, look at that. There goes VVPR.
See, buy and sell. See, buy a couple small share only.
VVPR insane, guys.
Buy here, 1572. Buy 16. Buy here. Buy here. Buy here. Keep buying when it go down. And sell right there, 17. What do you want? 1725 and 1728. Keep selling. See, I buy 15 some. See, 15 and sell all the way up there. That's a good trade.
MBIS.
Technical breakout could go to $2 on SNMP. Let's have a look.
MBIS. GPRO.
Make a killing. Look good, look good.
JMIA.
Hey, look at GME, by the way. Did exactly like I mentioned in the pre-market game plan. Pushed for that red to green move. Rejected. Back on the VWAP now. Awesome to see that. Let's see if we can get a short setup on this GME.
See, morning making money already. See, buy all the way down here.
Definitely be careful.
This is pre-market, before the market open.
Like I mentioned,
I got in here.
do not use market orders.
And sell all the way up here. I got in
I
here.
mentioned $14.
Sell all the way up here. And buy back
Again,
when the market open.
Reject.
Hit the market open here. Right here, buy. Sell right here. Sell right here. Go up to $19. See.
DBX sold. SPTN.
Good for today
Yes,
already.
back at 200. So nothing there.
Could be a target.
Let's focus on this VVPR.
David Faber reporting that target of
Pull
activists.
this one off here and put GME there.
You know, I have 35.95 now at 35.
But be careful. I'm not chasing.
Vice President Pence to hold a 2 p.m. call with the cruise industry that, according to the White House,
TLRY. EXTR. CGC. EXTGC.
seeing shares of Carnival Cruise Lines now popping here 1584
MJ.
on that headline.
CGC.
Whoa.
CGMJ.
What's up right here? I like this one.
Not
It's a bull
bad,
flat right
not
there.
bad.
RCL
But I'm not
World Leasing
chasing.
hitting a high of
Still hold or
$70.10
did you
at
sell
the high.
everything?
Norwegian Cruise Lines NCLA $15.43.
SPCC.
No chasing. Ready to buy SNMP. See what happened. SNMP. Wait for its open.
CGC, EXTR,
SNMP, Sanchez Midstream, Partners, also in circuit breakers. On the way down, hit a high of $1.60, now at $1.30.
Again, I have no shares in WPHS, Paul. I'm just speaking out loud what could be happening on this one, and where I think it's
Look
gonna
at it.
go.
Be careful right there, guy.
Based on
You buy
stuff I
back
see
right
on the
here,
chart.
17.
I don't really care about news or deals. So I think this one can see $120 next week.
ATAC, Cron,
VVPR closing in on $20.
Mark,
1939 is their high day.
ATAC, CGC, Mark, TLRY, CGC, TLRY, MBE, Mark, CGC, TLRY, CGC, TLRY, NBEV, NBEV, NBEVGY, IGG, PRO, GPRO, 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 IGC, EGY, EGY,
That's okay.
EGY,
And yeah, for me it was a pre-market trade on this VVPR.
ATAC,
Again, very rare that I do it, but I saw big potential in this one. I got up as far as $16 on this one from the say $14.
GPRO,
But again,
new,
healthy stock market, yeah.
new,
See what GameStop is doing.
ATAC, ATAC, IGC, ATAC, 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 IPOB, IPOB,
NCTY, the 9 limited, getting here 33 cents on a big spike in volume. NCTY, November Charlie Tango, thank you.
IPOB, ATAC, ATAC, IGC, FSM, IGC, IPOB,
Be careful this guy.
SLV, GPRO,
Careful.
ATAC, GPRO, SNMP,
Let's see, get in or not.
Connell says we do need another COVID-19 aid package.
Yeah, I'm still looking for potential short in GameStop.
IPOB, IPOB, IPOB,
22. Keep buying.
IPOB,
Venturing.
ACRS,
VPR there.
19.
Almost at $17.
Ah,
Love that VWAP.
400 here.
ACRS, IPOB, EGY, AXU, IPOB, INTZ,
22.
IPOB,
KERN, a Kerna shares getting a pop here. $4.39 on
Okay.
spiking volume.
Push
What's
now.
spiking volume for KERN, Kilo Echo Romeo November.
ACRS, HMY. HMY.
23.
Maybe it's time to
Keep moving.
Shares of Apple moving here. AAPL 116.24.
INTZ.
Alpha Alpha Papa Lima.
INTZ, ELRS. EGY, 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 EGY. SPCB.
Yeah, they did break 25.
SPCB. SSYS. IPOB. IPOB. INTZ. INTZ. VVPR. LNJMIA.
AXAS. Low priced oil play moving here
IPOB.
on heavy volume.
IPOB.
23% Alpha X-ray Alpha Sandy.
IPOB.
VVPR, Victor Papa Romeo. VVPR shares halted on the way down on a circuit breaker. 1626 up 61% now. Shares spiking earlier.
Come on, break 25, 125.
Report that the company has taken a stake in a majority stake in EV company Tembo ELV. That's a VVPR. That was a press release from the company earlier this morning. Shares now halted at $16.26 at a high of $19.39. Victor Papa Romeo.
SSYS.
Come on, break 125.
What happened to VVPR, guys? I took a quick bathroom break, and I'm seeing this halted. Is the Jinx Master in? What happened? What happened?
SPCB.
VVPR.
SPCE Virgin Galactic January 35 call
Could
sheet
have
now.
at least
Candy Papa
waited
Charlie
for
Echo.
me to get back.
Come on, break it.
I want to get
Break,
short.
I buy more and sell. I buy more and then sell when it break 125.
It's halted. Oh, come on. Let's not put up some crocodile tears on this one.
Come on, break 125.
You jinxed your screen, Jinx Master.
I see, yep, a lot of buying. 25.
GME still needs to set up for the short.
See, cannot break
See,
125.
there's a little bit of a marination trying to go on happening under that VWAP.
SPCB. GPRO. SPCB. SPCB.
Hopefully it
That's a
does
breakdown
bounce back,
right there.
Christopher. I want to see.
SPCB.
I want to see something for me to get short. I think, you know, as I
Go back to
mentioned,
the dollar.
if you see a stock with this type of range, guys, and you divide it by 10, you know, looking in terms of 150 to 250, the next 50 cents, and then looking at this stock, you know, 10,
should be part of
15
any
bucks,
COVID
20
package.
bucks,
Unclear if
then
standalone
it's,
airline
you know, it's not so
build
far
could
away.
pass.
So I mentioned in the pre-market, this one had big potential for going towards 20 bucks. And you can see here high days being 1939, so pretty close towards 20 bucks. But again, if you try to start shorting too early and you don't realize that the stock has this type of range, you can get hurt, guys.
Shares of the airlines
So
reversing.
next time you see this type of range
moving lower
divided
now.
by 10, and you know, these moves won't look that crazy.
two lines also reversing and moving lower.
PGEN.
THO, Thor announcing 2.5% increase in its regular quarterly dividend. Tango Hotel, Oscar.
Well, not only shorts, but if you look at the daily chart, you know, it's gotta be a mix. You know,
JE, Just Energy.
you got that
moving
daily chart
again now,
setting up for the breakout, so you
on
got
volumes
the
and
people
Echo.
who are looking for that 15 or
now
at least
for JE.
52-week breakout buyers. You got those stepping in. You got people, you know, who seeing this gap up here and they are short. They gotta buy too to get out, and you know, the PR that came out in the pre-market as well is another catalyst for news buyers to come in as well. So all those things combined together should give you this type of movement.
VVPR.
Here we go, we are open.
PGEN. PGEN. SPTN. SPTN.
Washington Post says McConnell said that a new stimulus deal is unlikely in the next 3 weeks.
Right now, look like a bear flush or reversal.
Kern. ACRS. ACRS.
Watching it here very closely, as you can see, VVPR is trying to hold 16, missing by the way GME there. I got only 2 sets of eyes here, but I'm watching it closely. VVPR.
MBIS.
That's a bear flush.
Let's see what we get.
MMLP.
Forever, dear.
One away.
ACRS. MBIS. 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 SILJ.
Coming in
ACRS.
at 10 a.m. wholesale trade sales for
Curl.
August 2.0.
EXK.
The consensus.
SPTN. 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 MBIS.
So far that VVPR, oh, there it goes. Look at that. There it goes.
IGC.
S&P, big drop. Hope you guys are safe on that one.
ACRX.
And
LLNW.
nobody chased that sucker as well.
JJJE.
Christopher.
ACRX. JJE. ACRX. LLNW. MBIS.
Take a look at VVPR.
MBIS.
Done with the backside right here. It's a backside guy.
How much? How much? Okay.
JMIA, Jumia, seeing
AXU.
sweep in the November 10 call. Juliet Michael India Alpha.
MBEV. JJE.
And for
Let's
the
see what
person who was
happened this
talking
guy.
about WKHS, you know, it's just an observation. I'm not trying to scare you out of your position.
J.
As I always say, guys, trade what you see and respect your plan, respect your stops.
MVIS.
VVPR, they're trying to get back at 16.
1.4% on wholesale trade sales for August month over month. That's below the 2% consensus.
Good day for shorts, long as well. Jeremy, longs as well. VVPR, amazing long in the pre-market.
SPTN.
Launching worldwide today, Echo Alpha.
Red day, sorry to see that, Pitari.
SPTN.
So far, VVPR, they're trying to hold, hug that $16.
Come on, break 16 and buy.
QCOM, Qualcomm, hearing
FET.
On which one, Christopher? VVPR?
Berkshire Hathaway has taken a stake,
okay.
unconfirmed. Quebec, Charlie Oscar, Michael.
JE. There's a pop over 16, VVPR.
FETCRLBF.
CELH, Charlie Echo Lima Hotel. Traders circulating a report from
Let's see what it does here.
Negative report on CELH.
Come on, break 15. Break it. Yes.
YCBD. FET.
So far, GME just a quick bounce off that 1230 level, almost up towards VWAP. I wanted to say VVP.
Hey. YCBD.
All right, Paul. I'll let me watch this VVPR and I'll get back to you with the analysis that I see on Workhorse.
JMIA.
Under 16 VVPR.
Curl.
What you gonna do, baby?
SPTN.
I buy a lot down here.
SPTN. SPTN.
Some potential in the
See
MVIS.
right here, I buy. 13, 14. I buy almost a couple hundred share right there.
SPTN.
13, let's see what happened. Come on.
Ego. HMY. SPTN. Ego.
Come on, break 18. Give me those 600 share. Want to go up.
So far, VVPR, they're trying to fight to be above 16. You're getting a decent attempt to hug that VWAP.
AG.
See, that not look good.
AG.
Go down to $1.
EXK.
It's the coconut.
Hitting 125.89.
SPTN. SPTN, SPTN, JE,
Nice. VVPR. There's a VWAP push.
JE, ACRX, ACRS, ACRS, FSM, FSM,
Back at 16 after touching almost VWAP there.
ACRX, FTSI,
Do.
AAL, American Airlines, says currently operating cargo flights, plans to move to Beijing Daxing International Airport in March, moving flights to New Beijing Daxing International Airport when service returns from Dallas Fort Worth on March 27th.
FSM,
Currently operating cargo flights to
FSM,
PEK, which will continue through the end of March. That's AAL.
ACRX,
ICD, Independence Contract Drilling, spiking here on volume. India Charlie Delta, ICD.
ICD, ICD,
ICD hitting $3.04, up 13%. Again, big spike in volume on ICD.
VVPR under 16.
ICD,
Ed Lawrence, Fox Business, says Fed Rosengren says thinks fiscal stimulus will come in the first quarter of 2021.
Come on.
PFIE, ICD, ICD,
We will meet again.
ICD, 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 ATAC, 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 ATAC,
And DGS dropping like a sack of potatoes. Oh, there goes VVPR as well. Let's see what it does here.
PFI.
Jinx Master, very nice
PFI.
on that short VVPR. Good job.
ACRX. PFI. PFI. ACRX. ACRX. IPOB. IPOB. YCOB.
Ah, see,
ACRX.
this did a terrible. Go all the way back down there, huh?
IGC. IPOB. 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 IGC. IGC. PFI. IPOB. IGC. JMIA. Curl. Mark. JMIA. JMIA. IPOB.
JMIA, Citron being asked if we would
Also
short
interesting to be
Jumia, we
watching
should run
right
up.
now.
No way, we learned lesson from shorting e-commerce,
Yeah.
bad risk reward, pandemic has changed.
JMIA.
E-com
IPOB.
globally, SEMELI appears worse is behind Jumia. Full report to come next week. Again, Jumia, Citron out, saying they would not
Come on, break
short
$1.
JMIA at this point. Juliet Michael India Alpha.
JMIA.
Dump on the S&P. What can you do? What can you do?
FEAC.
Shares of Jumia hitting a high of $11.80.
FEAC.
Come on, break $1. Yep, come on.
IGC. YCBD.
Come on, you can do it.
YCBD.
10 million share.
IGC. IPOB. IGCOB. IGC.
Come on, break 105.
YCBD.
104.
IGC.
Nobody watching.
IGC.
ACOR, Alpha Charlie Oscar Romeo at Porter Therapeutics, spiking to new highs, up 7.75% now for Alpha Charlie Oscar Romeo.
Come on, 104.
YCBD, YCBD. IPOB, IPOB. IPOB, IPOB. IPOB, 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 IPOB. GNLN, 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 GNLN. IPOB. IPOB. ACRS.
Come on, rake 104.
GNLN. SILB. 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 GNLN. EXTR. EXTR. GNLN. PGEN.
Interesting action going on here with this VVPR, guys. tried to go for that 17, break near that VWAP 1661s and rejected, pulled back down. So I'm just gonna watch it here and see what's gonna happen. I'm still watching it very, very closely. Why are markets closed on weekends? I think people need a rest. People need to spend that money.
Speaker Pelosi regarding the 25th Amendment says this is not about President Trump.
EXTR.
It's not about President Trump. He will face the judgment of the voters.
What else are you gonna do with all that money if you can't party on boats? Go into the club, bottles and models. If you can't have a decent Catalina wine mixer from now and then.
Oh, cannot break 104.
But I'm glad that the market isn't open during the weekend. But I'm also glad when it's Monday again. Ooh, big drop there under 15, guys. VVPR. This is dicey. Ooh. Dicey, dicey.
JD.
All right, I'm done, guy.
Goodbye.
I'm done.
FLSY IPO.
PGEN.
Have a good one, Christopher, the micro beast.